Hello everyone, my name is Kale from Fluidit and I will show you the basics of Fluidit Water Simulator. In the middle you will see the map view window, which is the geographical representation of all the GIS components in your model. On the left hand side you see a model browser. So the topmost menu is the drawing stage that represents different visualizations on your model. For example, velocity visualization represents the velocities of all the pipes in your system. Fluidit Water comes with a huge amount of different background map sets that you can use easily, just adding them into your model. All the Bing maps, for example, Bing street map, Bing aerial, and so on. You can also create your own raster maps from different model values. For example, here I have the elevation layer of the model colored from blue to magenta. So this is how it looks like. It's really neat. Then you have the scenario trees, which represents the inheritance of different model scenarios. So the base scenario is inherited to all the child scenarios, and if you want to make your special design, for example, new pipe and consumer, you can create into the child scenario without affecting the base scenario at all. Then you have the digital elevation models. We support Google by default, but you can add your own height models from raster files quite easily. Just add grid them. And what is really neat, possibility to create different kind of template views on the values on your model. So here I can see the working points of one pumping station in my model. Each point represents one working point throughout the whole simulation. So this is really neat for sizing your pumps correctly according to the correct pressure and the flow. Here is a representation of the water tower, how the level differentiates between the time, how much the flow in and out from the tower is at each time step. And you can create these views as freely as you want, as many as you want, and they all update with the model results. You can create map views of interesting areas that are customizable easily. You can move it here, you can zoom it here, and so on. These are really valuable when you're making standardized reports on the results that interest you. So this is just a quick tour. I will return to you more in detail for different aspects of the model. Thank you for your interest.